To create a student group, you are going to go to the Manage Classes button, click it. You then will need to select which class you want to make a group for. So I'm going to be using my demo class here. You're going to select it. Then go down here to Edit Class. Then you don't need to adjust any of the settings up here. You will just simply scroll all the way down, and it could be pretty long if you have a lot of resources, and you're going to click the Add Group button. From there, make sure that you have it for the correct class. So like I said, I wanted it for my demo class. You're going to create the group's name. So I like to use colors, so I'm going to call this my or shape group. So I'm going to put this as my star group. You need to change the subject. So for us, since we only have the mathematics support on GoMath, I'm going to put mathematics. And then the level. So you can change it for on level, advanced, below level, intervention, or heterogeneous. So it mixes all the levels up. I'm going to make this my on level group. Okay. So that's all there. If you don't have a class, like I had to create a demo class for this, you would click Add Class and it creates a whole class. It sends you to the Create a Class page. So if you already have your classes in, you shouldn't need this Add a Class, but it is there. Then it will show you the available students for your class. So like if I did my other classes for my real roster, it'll show all my students that are registered in my class already. For my demo class, I have one student in there, and it's Taylor Swift. So I can click on her name and the available students. Then I can add all of the students from over here, or I can simply add one by just clicking on one name and then add. Okay. If I decided, oh, I don't want any of those members in there, I can remove all and it automatically moves them all. So then I can do add all. So you can see how you can switch them back and forth. So these will be my group members for the group I'm creating. Once you have them, then you're going to hit save. And to double check that your group's in there, scroll all the way down from the Edit Class page, scroll all the way down, and now it'll say here in this group section, it'll have your name of your group, and the subject, and on level, and it'll be there. You can always click your group name here. It'll send you back to the Edit Group page if you ever need to re-edit it. You can save again, or you can hit Cancel. Okay, and it'll bring you back here. Then I would just click up to your Link Central to get back to the dashboard. And that's how you create a group.